Now, because you're watching this video on YouTube, I'm sure you've heard of this before. But did you know that you can actually get paid to listen to music on YouTube every day, hour, or even minute? Take a look at this example of how much money you can make by listening to YouTube music. 5 songs can earn you $25, and 20 songs on YouTube could earn you $100 every day. In today's video, all of this could be done with your phone or computer in about 5 to 10 minutes, and you could just repeat the process. This strategy is available at no cost. No credit card or investment is required, whether you're from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Indonesia, or anywhere else on the planet. Make sure to watch the entire video because I'll show you how to boost your profits and make 5 times as much money as those who don't. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So as you can see, the first app that you'll want to download is the current app. With this app, you'll be rewarded for listening to music, but later on, I'll show you a couple more apps that you can get for free on your phone, and then I'll show you a real-life example of how to use them, what music you should listen to, and a bonus tip to help you make more money. Make sure you pay attention and don't skip any parts of this video because I'll be showing you on YouTube on how you can truly play all of the songs and earn a lot of money online. Okay, now when you go to the main page, you'll notice that I want to earn rewards while I'm running, which you can see here. So with this, you can earn when you're running, working, or sleeping. In fact, you can earn money while the music is playing in the background. This app is available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. If you have an Android phone, here is the app's logo, so make sure you're downloading the correct one. It has over 1 million reviews, and this app received 4.4 stars. It's an excellent, solid app that's 100% legitimate. Again, this is available on the Google Play Store and also on the iOS App Store, where you can download the same apps for your iPhone. Now, before I show you a real-life example, I'll demonstrate how to play music and how to choose the greatest music that will pay you the most amount of money. In fact, this has over 100,000 radio stations, one of which is YouTube. You can listen to music online or even when you're not connected to the internet. This app is completely free, and you can earn points by listening to your favorite music, which you can later convert into real money. So once you've downloaded the app from the Google Play Store, you can now start listening to music on the radio stations. When you go into your account, you may notice something like this. Pay attention, since this is one of the only ways to get money while playing music, and I'll show you 2 methods. So this is the homepage for YouTube Music. You can find a lot of music, a lot of playlists, and a lot of artists if you scroll down below. There are a lot of recommended music that you can choose from and can be played on YouTube Music, together with the current web page. When these 2 apps are combined, you'll be able to make a profit on autopilot. So now I'm going to show you a real-life demonstration. I'm offering you an example of one of the playlists on which I've been particularly focused on, and I'm able to listen to this. There's actually a lot of music on the queue. Once the songs are done playing, they will automatically move on to the next song to play all of the songs right here and now, and I will be paid for each and every one of them. When you hover your mouse over this icon in the bottom right-hand corner and select the repeat button, the magic happens. This means that once these playlists have finished playing from the first song all the way down to the last song, it'll automatically jump back to the first song and replay it, allowing you to earn money over and over again. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. The bonus tip that I have for you is to make sure that you have a lot of music on your playlist. As you can see, I've got about 20 songs planned to help me make money faster. The second piece of advice that I can provide you is that on the main page, you'll notice a hot list. If you click on it, you'll be led to a page with higher quality, more recommended videos, and music videos. I strongly advise you to select one of these videos because they will pay you more money than the current apps. You can sync your YouTube music with this app so that you can get paid when you play the music on YouTube. This is the first approach to making money while playing music. The second method I'll show you right now is one with which you're probably more familiar with. Maybe you watch YouTube videos every day and are doing so right now, and you're aware that they can play videos and music videos such as Pop Hits 2021 and Top 40 Popular Songs. You can listen to music playlists like this for an hour and make money over and over by simply repeating the process of listening to all of these songs. So what I'm showing right now is a real-life example. You can see here that this is the only tab in Google Chrome browser that's open. So now I'm gonna open another tab to listen to more music, and then a third tab to listen to more YouTube music. So right now I have 3 tabs open in my browser. So again, here is a bonus tip. By opening many tabs, you can listen to more music and earn more money. And here's another tip. When you go to YouTube, you can play music that is at least an hour long because the longer the music is, the more money you can make. Another tip is to click on the settings button, which is located on this page. By default, the speed is normal, but when you double the speed, it'll play twice as fast. You can select 2 to indicate 2 times speed. You can also reduce the quality to 144p by turning off quality. This implies that even if your internet connection is slow, or if you have a lot of people using the Wi-Fi, you can still listen to music because you'll be playing it on numerous tabs. It is critical that you limit the quality to 144p so that it doesn't take up too much bandwidth and you can do other things. With all of that said, here's the final bonus. Now, this is a new Google Chrome extension, YouTube Playback Speed Control, as shown here. You can download this on your Google Chrome browser for your computer or your phone. It's completely free and currently has over 100,000 users. So when you download this extension, it allows for 3 times the normal speed, unlike regular YouTube, which only allows for 2 times the normal speed. You can control the speed on the top right-hand corner as shown here. You can raise the playback speed by pressing the pause button or lower the playback speed by pressing the decrease button. Now that you have downloaded this extension, you can make a lot of money since you can play music on the YouTube platform as well as the YouTube Music platform much faster. So once again, all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store to download these apps, or if you have an iPhone, go to the App Store to download the Current Rewards offline music app. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.